Verna May, what you having for dinner?
Some
Hmm?
some oats.
What's mama? No. You have chicken Alfredo.
Chicken
That's chicken right there. And the noodle is Alfredo.
Alfredo.
How does that taste?
Good.
But you can't eat the chicken and leave the noodles in there. You have to eat everything. Okay? Chicken Alfredo. What you showing me, mother? What is that?
Where is the Romans?
The Romans? What is that?
The past to go up, so
I don't know what you're talking about, mother. Are you finished having dinner?
like this
Hmm?
to finish our dinner.
Are you done? Yeah, but your plate is clean. Look at that. You clean that plate, Verna May.
Yes.
Drink some more water. You gotta take your pills though. Here. No, yeah, you have to take those. Mother, you gotta put them in your mouth and swallow. You don't have to go on like that. Why you don't want to take the pill?
This is pill.
Yeah. You know what pill look like, don't you? Look at them. See? They are your pills. They're afternoon pills, so you have to take them. Mother, stop that. Just put them in your mouth. Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Lift up your hand. Oh, God. Mama, lift up the thing and put it to your mouth. Let me help you. Let go.
No.
Yes. Open your mouth. Ah, wide open. Open your mouth wide. Verna. There you go. Here, drink your water. You almost done the water. Like a good girl. Bless you. Bless you. What happened there? Use a napkin. It's right there. Put the thing to your face. There you go. Mother drink 4 of these in her water bottle. Put it to your face, ma. Cover your nose when you're doing that. Bless you. Hey, come in again. Bless you. I never see somebody sneeze 7 times in a row yet. Mother. Cover your nose. Cover! What are they going with you? Is it the pill? Make you sneezing so? How? You don't know? Open your eyes. How you feel?
Getting my hands and then planting dirt. Getting my hands in the soil is just therapy for me. So having someplace to actually grow is huge.
Holy crap, this is so good. Oh my gosh. Oh man.
Are you finished, Ethan?
This is cool.
Yeah.
6 days ago, a long, barren trench lined the edge of the Broadhead's
Etchum!
for bacteria, mold, and toxic critters. Now, for just
Get your napkin back.
and a lot of elbow grease, the family has a brand
Lord of mercy.
greenhouse where they can not
Somebody tickle in your nose?
but also cultivate products
Hmm?
for Wendy's budding business.
I'm ready to eat. You get the first one.
You look so tired.
The food make me tired.
The food make you tired? Cause you eat too much. Yes. You had a plate of pasta. Yes.
No, tired.
No, tired? What do you mean by that? What are you doing that for?
While the family
What's that for?
race to finish college
Mm-hmm.
has a big surprise for the Broadheads
Hmm?
on the side of the house.
Your head is out of whack?
How can I
Yeah?
make it easy on the homestead?
Go on.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
All right, Vername.